eTRUCK software, driver's access, part 1. There are 3 parts to the eTRUCK software: driver access, fleet supervisor access, and workshop technician access. We will explain the 3 core components of the eTRUCK software in 3 parts and explain how each one supports safer operations, reduced downtime, and significant cost savings across your fleet or business. What is eTRUCK? eTRUCK is a remote Bluetooth dongle device that connects directly to the vehicle's diagnostic port and delivers role-specific access for drivers, fleet managers, and workshop technicians. Once installed, it enables real-time remote monitoring, advanced diagnostics, and live service functions. The platform also supports preventative maintenance scheduling and reminders, digital daily walk-around safety inspections, and continuous driver behavior monitoring, providing complete visibility and control across the operation in real time. In the following sections, we will review the key functions available to each role and explain how access to the software is tailored to meet the needs of every user. With eTRUCK, drivers can access the system directly from their mobile device. Once logged in, the driver is taken to the home screen, as shown above. The home screen provides a clear overview of the driver's weekly driving behavior score, total miles driven, any active system faults, and upcoming service requirements. Together, these home screen insights give drivers immediate visibility into vehicle status and performance, helping them stay informed, proactive, and aligned with fleet expectations from the moment they log in. On this screen driving style, the driver can review their driving style weekly and daily, including events such as abrupt braking, harsh acceleration, engine idle time, and other key driving behaviors. This information allows drivers to evaluate their own driving habits and make adjustments where needed, promoting greater accountability and safer, more efficient driving. The key benefits to the driver and fleet are: improved driver accountability through transparent daily and weekly driving insights, safer driving behavior by identifying harsh braking, rapid acceleration, and excessive idling, reduced fuel consumption by minimizing aggressive driving and unnecessary idle time, lower vehicle wear and maintenance costs through smoother driving habits, better compliance and performance tracking for fleet and safety programs, continuous improvement as drivers can monitor trends and adjust behavior in real time. By turning driving behavior into clear, actionable insights, the driving style feature promotes safer habits, reduces operating costs, and supports continuous improvement, benefiting both drivers and fleet operations every day. On the live tachograph screen, the driver can clearly view total driving hours, remaining time before a required break, and a complete overview of driving activity over the past 2 weeks. The system also highlights paused driving time and provides warnings when driving hours are approaching or exceeding legal limits. This real-time visibility helps drivers stay compliant, safe, and in control throughout their shift. Key benefits for the driver and company: clear awareness of driving hours and break requirements, reduced risk of violations and penalties, less stress by knowing exactly how much time remains, improved safety through compliance with driving regulations, better trip and workday planning. By providing real-time visibility into driving hours and compliance limits, the live tachograph helps drivers stay safe and informed while enabling fleets to reduce violations, improve planning, and maintain full regulatory compliance. On the driver position screen, the driver can share their real-time location with the fleet manager. This allows the driver to quickly notify the fleet office of their location for assistance or simply informational, keeping fleet management fully informed at all times. Key benefits for the driver: faster assistance during breakdowns or roadside events, reduce stress by keeping management informed instantly, clear communication without phone calls or guesswork, improved safety when stopped on the roadside. Real-time location sharing improves safety, communication, and response time for drivers and fleets. On the vehicle diagnostics screen, the driver can view any active diagnostic trouble codes in real time. From this screen, the driver can request a workshop technician to remotely connect to the vehicle to review data, perform service actions such as clearing fault codes, accessing live system data, or initiating a forced regeneration when permitted. This allows issues to be addressed immediately, whether to restore vehicle operation, exit derate conditions, or ensure the correct parts and support are dispatched. Key benefits for the driver: faster resolution of faults without waiting for roadside service, reduced downtime and quicker return to service, clear guidance and support from technicians in real time, improved safety by avoiding unnecessary roadside repairs, confidence knowing the correct action is being taken, key benefits for the company and fleet, significant reduction in towing and road call costs, improved first-time fix rates by sending the right parts and support, minimize downtime and operational disruption, better utilization of workshop resources through remote diagnostics, improved compliance and documentation of vehicle faults and repairs. Remote diagnostics keep drivers moving, reduce downtime, and ensure faster, more accurate repairs anytime, anywhere. On the dashboard screen, the driver has access to real-time vehicle data, including engine RPM, accelerator position, oil level, engine oil pressure, coolant temperature, and other critical operating parameters. This live visibility allows drivers to monitor vehicle performance continuously and identify potential issues before they escalate. Key benefits for the driver: immediate awareness of vehicle health while driving, early warning of abnormal engine conditions, reduce risk of breakdowns or engine damage, increased confidence operating the vehicle, safer decision-making on the road. Key benefits for the company and fleet: prevention of major mechanical failures through early detection, reduced maintenance and repair costs, improved vehicle uptime and reliability, better protection of fleet assets, consistent operating data for diagnostics and maintenance planning, real-time vehicle visibility improves safety, reduces downtime, and protects fleet assets on every drive. On the daily driver inspection screen, the driver can complete a digital walk-around inspection by marking items as pass or fail, capturing photos, and adding detailed notes. Each inspection is securely stored within the system for future reference, creating a complete and traceable inspection history. Key benefits for the driver: simple and consistent inspection process, clear documentation that protects the driver, reduced paperwork and manual reporting, faster identification and reporting of safety issues, improved compliance with inspection requirements. Key benefits for the fleet and company: digital inspection records for audits and compliance, improved vehicle safety and defect tracking, reduced liability through documented inspections, early identification of maintenance issues and accountability, better maintenance planning and reduced downtime. By digitizing daily inspections, this process improves safety, accountability, and compliance while providing clear documentation that protects both the driver and the fleet. On the preventative maintenance schedule screen, the driver can view upcoming maintenance dates and service intervals for the vehicle. The system clearly identifies which preventive maintenance tasks are due and provides a countdown to each service event. Common examples include annual vehicle inspections or scheduled PM services such as oil changes. This ensures maintenance is planned, tracked, and completed on time. Key benefits for the driver: clear visibility of upcoming maintenance requirements, reduced risk of unexpected breakdowns, better planning around service appointments, improved compliance with inspection and service schedules, less stress knowing maintenance is being tracked. Key benefits for the fleet and company: improve preventative maintenance compliance, reduced unscheduled downtime and repairs, extended vehicle and component life, better maintenance planning and cost control, documented service history for audits and asset management. This proactive approach to maintenance helps prevent breakdowns, improves compliance, and maximizes vehicle uptime. Overall key benefits incorporating eTRUCK into your fleet or workshop. For drivers: offers clear documentation that confirms the driver's inspection and accountability immediately in the system. No more filing paper reports and following up with the driver. Faster resolution of issues with accurate vehicle history. Reduce downtime through better communication with the fleet manager, supervisor, workshop technician, and driver. For fleet businesses: full audit-ready service and repair records. Improved compliance with safety and regulatory requirements. Data-driven maintenance planning and cost control. Reduced liability through documented inspections, services, and repairs with added follow-ups. Improved uptime and asset utilization. Complete service history for faster, more accurate repairs. Better scheduling and workload planning. Increased efficiency and profitability. Conclusion: eTRUCK is more than a diagnostic tool. It is a complete connected ecosystem. By linking drivers, fleets, and workshops through real-time data and cloud-based reporting, eTRUCK reduces downtime, lowers operating costs, improves compliance, and maximizes asset uptime. Whether you're managing a fleet, operating a workshop, or driving the equipment every day, eTRUCK delivers visibility, control, and confidence, turning data into real savings and smarter decisions. In the next part 2, Fleet Supervisor Access, we will review the eTRUCK Fleet Supervisor software and explore the tools, data, and insights available to fleet supervisors. For more information or to discuss how eTRUCK can support your fleet or operation, please contact us using the information above.